Welcome to Scripting 3, where you can learn about Google Apps Script in videos that are 3 minutes or less, or around about 3 minutes. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at putting a custom sidebar in a Google document. And I've got the Google Apps Script documentation open here, the link for which you can find in the description. And there, I've got a new Google document open there. So I'm going to go into this Code.js here. I'm going to copy this, go over to my Google Doc here. And the aim is to get a sidebar to open from a menu item. So I go to Tools and then Script Editor. I open up the script, a new script here. Give that a title as well. Just call that menu for now, something like that. And this actually off the bat is not going to work for this document. In the Google Docs, it has this image of a Google Doc, but there's something that needs to be changed. So you'll notice here it says spreadsheet. This needs to change to document. Like so and like so. So this is now document app. And a quick run through of here. So this first is document.getUI. Oh no, this should be document app, not just document, okay, like so. So document app, get the user interface, create a menu, custom menu at the top, and it's going to be called custom menu. You can adjust that, change it as you need. And then we've got add item, so that's going to add a button below an item below the custom menu, which says show sidebar. And then when you click on that, it will run this function show sidebar, which is this function here. And then that holds a variable called HTML, which has a HTML service, and that will create HTML output from a file called page, which we don't have at the moment. And then it will open a side menu and set the title to my custom sidebar. The width will be about 300. And then document app will actually, this is saying, hey, please now can you open the sidebar? So we're going to need that page file. So we go to File and add a new file in here called Page. You can change this to whatever you want to, as long as you change it in there as well. That will create a new HTML template. We go back to the docs here and click on Page HTML. Click on Copy that. And we'll put this in here. This puts a Hello World onto the side menu. And then there's a button there as well. And then you can do on-click google.script.host.close. That will close the side menu bar. Okay, so then we want to save all. Now, one thing that you need to do before all of this is you need to make sure that the permissions are all accepted. So we'll change that to on open, click run, and then view permissions. And there'll be a lot of stuff here, but you gotta click through, click on advanced. I talk about this in another video. Continue to go to untitled project. Here, click on continue. Like so, and then allow, and that's it. It's already done and it's run, so it has opened the menu bar in the Google Doc there. But if I reload and then wait a second, and there it is there, and we've got the show sidebar, and it brings up the sidebar like that, and then you click on close and it will close like that. All right, I hope this is useful.